Hi traders, welcome back to Tradewill. Today we are going to take a look at the duo indicators that can be your trading lifesaver. Let's go! Have you ever heard about Bollinger Bands and RSI indicators? Both are useful for detecting oversold and overbought situations. We can see the three lines forming the Bollinger Bands indicator. Middle band, simple moving average. This is the central line, representing the 20 or 30 period simple moving average. Upper band. This is the line plotted 2 standard deviations above the 20 or 30 period simple moving average. Lower band. This is the line plotted 2 standard deviations below the 20 or 30 period simple moving average. When the middle band is pointing upwards, it means the trend is bullish. And when the price crosses the middle band from bottom to top, a buying opportunity appears. When the middle band slopes downward, it indicates a bearish trend. Crossing below the middle band signals a selling opportunity. What about RSI? There are 2 areas on the RSI indicator, oversold and overbought area. The area above 70 is overbought. There's a higher chance for the price to go down, which is the time to open sell position. The area below 30 is oversold, and it can indicate a potential upward reversal in the price later on, which is the time to open buy position. Now let's combine it. In Bollinger Bands indicator, if there's a huge movement, we can pretty much predict that it will return back to the average line. When the price goes above the upper band, you can open sell. When the price goes below the lower band, you can open buy. It's easy, right? But it will work much better with the help from RSI. Sometimes there are false signals given from Bollinger Bands too. So when RSI hits the extreme value, that's when you get more surety to open a trade. For example, if the price moves below the lower Bollinger Band and the RSI also goes below 25, you can consider to open buy. If it moves above the upper Bollinger Band and RSI goes above 75, you can consider to open sell. But remember, you need to be careful when the trend is moving sideways, because this technique might not be too effective. You can use our free demo account to practice your analysis skills. Keep practicing. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you soon.